Hello and welcome to I Love Being Brown.
Suitcases. We were able to get these online for like $170 for all the pieces, all 4 pieces. And then this book bag was $26 from Walmart. Okay, guys, so since I didn't do a packing from Vietnam video, I'm going to do an unpacking video to show you exactly what we took. We took clothes, hair stuff, lotions, body washes, everything. All right, so let's start with this bag. So this bag, I just left some of this stuff here. So we got my Crocs that I wear every day, 2 laptops, flip-flops, a bunch of medicine, blow dryer brush, another blow dryer brush, things like that. This bag has more medicine and mask and books and stuff for school. And make sure you get a universal connector, basically, so that it fits all countries. So let's move that bag out of the way. As far as shoes, swim shoes, flats. These are brand new shoes. I haven't even worn them yet. And one hack is to tuck all your socks to your shoes. So I got about 3 or 4 in this one, 3 or 4 in that one. These are brand new shoes I haven't worn yet. All right, so then we got the tank tops. And so I kind of tried to roll these in together. I got a bunch of different colors. Spaghetti straps here. It's about 5 or 6 of those. Then I coordinated with dressy shirts for work. This is a dressy shirt, so you just can't tell. Then you have your t-shirts. These are kind of decent shirts for work. Back here, these are dresses. These are also dresses. I got a bunch of those. I did 1 shawl to cover these dresses. I only did 2 long sleeve shirts because it was not going to be cold. These are all skirts that I took with me. Here's a bunch of night clothes, including some pajama pants. So that way, if for the few months that it gets cold, I'll have that. Here's another pair of shoes. And so these actually have cards and sprays. And yeah, my shoes had a bunch of stuff. And so shoes that have been worn before, they go inside the bag. So these are still inside the bag. You got everyday walk around leggings. So, and because we were supposed to go for 2 years. Girl, bye. I got multiples of the same color. Towel and a rag. There were more rags and stuff, but I got rid of those on the way back because we had to make room in the suitcase. Jeans. So these are kind of like capri jeans. I only have 1 long pair of jeans. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then for my work capris, I got multiples in the same color. So 1, 2 khaki. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I had 11 pairs of these. Yeah. And so I'm over here with the dresses. So now I can actually count the dresses. So you got 10. Yep. So there were 10 dresses. And this is not even everything that I took. But so here's an example of what I mean by if you stack things up and kind of file it in like a filing cabinet, you can get a lot more in. Everything back there I'm going to get rid of, and I still have more that I need to go through and get rid of. But if you take your clothes like you were to fold them for your dresser, okay, I'm just gonna fold my pants like normal, fold them over, and then you can actually, you know, make room and slide them in. You know, it's a lot easier with 2 hands, and they just sit up nice and neat, and they're folded. You know, I just sort of try to, you know, make everything fit. So for instance, my blow dryer, you know, this middle space is really good. You just tuck stuff right on in there. Same with this one. And then I always take the shoes to the corners. You know, they fit nice and good. These will fit right here. Now, of course, if these were shoes that I had worn before, then I would definitely make sure that they were in a bag. But these shoes haven't been worn. So yeah, so a lot of times you can just flip them the opposite way like they would in the store. And these are flat, so they just fit right in. Yeah, and then everything else is going to tuck its way right around.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified of our next videos. Bye, y'all.